Hey there friends, welcome. If you've recently stepped into retirement or you're just looking for healthy, creative ways to enjoy your time, you're in the right place. Today we're making something light, fun, and full of flavor. Tropical toast with dragon fruit and passion fruit. It's low in sugar, low in fat, and naturally packed with nutrients. Perfect for feeling good and staying energized. These beautiful fruits don't just look and smell amazing. They're a great way to add color, taste, and a healthy twist to your day. This isn't just about making toast. It's about enjoying simple pleasures, staying creative, and taking care of yourself at your own pace. Let's get started, one easy, colorful step at a time. First, we'll make amino acid starter dough 24 hours before baking. Combine French flour and raisin yeast water. Increase the mixing speed to high and continue kneading until the dough develops enough elasticity to form a thin, stretchable membrane. Let it sit at room temperature, around 26 degrees Celsius, for 3 to 4 hours to kickstart fermentation. After this, place the dough in the refrigerator at 5 degrees Celsius and cold ferment for 16 hours or overnight. Next, we'll make an overnight preferment. This keeps our bread moist and gives it a wonderful crumb. In a bowl, combine French flour, yeast, and water. Stir gently until smooth. Cover it with wrap. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then refrigerate overnight. This dough needs rest just like we do. You can make this a day ahead. It's a quiet companion waiting in the fridge. The next day, now it's time to bring everything together. Into your mixing bowl, add the following: bread flour, sugar, trehalose, 2 teaspoons turmeric, salt, yeast, soy milk, ice water, olive oil, plus your preferment, and amino acid starter. Mix slowly for 4 minutes until it comes together. Then increase speed for another 5 minutes. The dough will become stretchy and soft. It's alive with possibility. Let's let our dough rest. Place it in a warm, humid spot, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius with 80% humidity. Let it rise for 30 minutes. After that, dust dough with flour to prevent sticking. Press and stretch, then fold the bottom third up and the top third down, single fold. Rotate dough 90 degrees and repeat the folding. This helps develop a light, airy texture. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Now gently fold in chopped walnuts and dried cranberries. Mix just enough to combine. Treat it gently like folding a soft blanket. Sprinkle your table with flour and divide the dough into small pieces, about 80 grams each. Shape each one into a smooth ball by rolling gently between your palms. Let's let our dough rest. Place it in a warm, humid spot, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius with 80% humidity. Let it rise for 30 minutes. Then shape each one again. Fold inward, press the seam closed and place seam side down into your loaf pans 6 to a pan. Let rise in the proofing box until the dough fills about 95% of the pan height. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius on top, 230 degrees Celsius on the bottom. Bake for 20 minutes, then turn the pan, turn off the top heat and bake for another 10. Once baked, gently tap the pan to release steam and remove the bread right away. Brush the tops with a touch of olive oil while still warm. It gives them a lovely shine. Set them on a wire rack to cool, and enjoy the aroma as it fills your kitchen. When baking at 230 degrees Celsius, that oven gets dangerously hot, so safety first. Always use heat-resistant mitts or gloves to handle trays and dishes. Keep loose sleeves away and open the door slowly to avoid steam burns. Remember, pans stay scorching long after they're out. Protect your hands, work carefully, and let's keep the baking fun and injury-free. You've just created something slow, beautiful, and nourishing, from simple ingredients and your own gentle care. Baking like this isn't just about making bread. It's about making space in your day for joy and creativity. So whether you're sharing this toast with loved ones or savoring it quietly with a cup of tea, you've earned it. Thank you for joining me today. Keep baking, keep blooming, and remember, retirement isn't an ending. It's a beginning of something softer, sweeter, and truly your own.